you're from, and that's it. Hopefully, makachika sa akin si Julia at chika Julia. Kaya, chika tayo. Pero kasi syempre, for the past years, over the years since we started, we've done a lot of growth. We've seen you grow for the people, and now you're getting big growth. However, can you tell us more about your own son of Chris and how you prepare for her?
I really enjoyed. Gusto niyo bang yung explanation ko? English or Tagalog? Ano ba ba?
Yeah, so you can say it in English or say
Sorry guys, nasa lessons pa lang kasi ako ng Bisaya eh. Pero sino may tutor mo? Siyempre, aking Bisaya ng boyfriend. Wait, pero seryoso ako. Mas gusto nila ba ng in Tagalog or English? English kasi mas may English kayo eh. Wala kayo dito eh, English or Bisaya. I really enjoyed playing Chris number one because I think sobrang unpredictable. Like, she was such a challenge because even ako habang on the set, I didn't know what was gonna come out from the scene. So, it was so exciting each time na tatapos na kami sa set. And in terms of preparations, I think a lot of meetings with the creatives and everybody behind the film, the directors, the writers. It takes a lot of communication to be able to achieve what we want to achieve.
Is there a particular person na pinag-aralan mo na ito siya eh, ito yung so parang you will observe how this person act? Is there someone like that?
You know, not necessarily. I think what's nice about taking on new roles is that, you know, you get to mold that person, you get to build up that person, ikaw yung makaka-choose ng ano ba, backstory niya, ano bang goals niya, kumbaga ikaw talaga yung you mold the character, and that's really the fun part because you give her personality, you give her mannerisms, you give her attitude, so it's always an instinct, you know, when you try to build a character.
Thank you, Julia. Now let's hear from our friends from the press who would like to go first. I'm sure you have a lot of questions, so
Go Sanden.
Magandang hapon, Julia.
Magandang hapon.
Yes. Ang Sunday na yung kampanya Cruz. Ito is interview, sabi mo, ang titular ito ay masasabi mo sobrang proud ka.
gaano nila pinabago ng pelikula na to. Para lang mapaganda siya, para matuwa yung mga manunood natin. So, proud ako dito kasi nakita ko na yung ginawa namin siya as a team. And masaya kami sa set. And everybody has such a good working relationship. And you know, watching it, people translate siya. Parang nakita na nag-enjoy kami habang ginagawa ko. So, I'm very proud. And more proud of this film because I'm also very proud of it. Kasi napakagaling na din sa pelikula.
Thank you. Anyone from another question? Go ahead.
Hi, my name is
Hello!
Congratulations on your new film. I'd just like to ask one question. If there's something, like, what's something that Kristen's done in the movie that Julia Barretto will never do in the movie?
You'll never
Will never do in the movie.
Madami. Madami. And you really have to go watch the film because like ako while playing this myself, talagang every shooting is surprise din ako sa character ni Chris. And like I said earlier, she's so unpredictable. Siyempre in some ways, I try to find some kami parehas. Pero I would say Chris is somewhat different in so many ways. And you have to watch the film to see that. But
You have to watch. Speaking of your watching this later, you will be the rest of the graduating the cinema here at SM City Cebu. So, yan, you panoorin din natin mamaya para masagot mo na rin yung question. Alright? So, any other friends mo guys? Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Julia. Welcome to Cebu. So, my question is, what love advice can you give about heartbreak and moving on?
Yeah.
You know what I really love also about this film is because it gives such a good message about breaking up. Usually, kapag break up, parang parallel siya sa sadness. But sometimes, breakups are redirections in life, right? So, you know, when you're going through a heartache, it's easier said than done, but parang binibigyan ka ng tadhana kung saan ka dapat papunta sa buhay mo. So, I think when you're trying to move on, you really have to go through it because that's still a loss. Kumbaga, nawala ka rin yung tao ng kahit mo nung minsan, di ba? Pero, pag nangyayari yun, ibig sabihin na pinakala ka ng tadhana sa tao para sa'yo. So, I always want to keep a positive mindset and condition my